Hi there, today I'd like to go ahead and review this clipper and trimmer I have been gifted. Let's go ahead and show everything that comes inside in the box. So you would find instructions and you will have different attachments, your charger, oil and a brush, and also attachment for your trimmer. This is how the clippers look like. You have safety guard. It will show that you need to add oil and says the power of your battery. You are able to easily achieve fades with this clippers. This gives you a really good control on when you're doing haircuts of fades. This is a must have. And you have your charger port right here, your trimmer. Also you have safety guard. Also power on, one button. This says turbo, and then it says when you need to charge. So it's currently fully charged. Your charging port right here. This has two settings. So first one would be turbo, second one would be regular. And to insert the attachments, it's fairly easy. You just snap on, and to change it, you'll pull it right here and you're able to change it. You do receive 4 of the different guards for your trimmer included with the clippers. You would receive from 1/2 up to level 4. And again, you are able to adjust your settings by what you want. Definitely a really good investment, so you can do your own haircuts. You would charge it. This is USB cord side. You would also get a brush and you would get a drape. This is how 2 of them look like. Once I charge it, I can do multiple different haircuts. I would say even up to 6 haircuts. So depending on how fast you do haircuts, I really like that they're cordless because sometimes the cord is always in the way. So this is a really nice investment. Definitely would recommend.